Yes.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. It goes jump, back, kick, snap, back, kick, snap.
This time again we are doing Winds of Change. It happened about 5 years ago.
ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा.
We have done the new performance and we put our own layer, the script committee, and I must say the script is really good. It's a really interesting story, and like together also we've learned teamwork, and Winds of Change is basically the difference, the growth, and while doing this even we change.
Alright, and start.
Zip, 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 zip. Boing. Zip, 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 zip.
Reflector.
Boing, boing.
This time we are going to have a dance, drama, and it's a performance on the Rainbow Castle.
See your true colors shining through. I see your true colors.
She's the queen of our play. We are just finding designs that what will suit on the final day. All the colors are lighting and the rainbow, so that after that when Mr. White is coming we become a team. We have to be a team, total. We have to put trust on each other.
On 3, 2, 1, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So I'm saying it's going surprisingly well. For 3 days preparation, they're already up to mark, and that's my worry.
To take revenge. Revenge for all the innocent lives we lost in the cruel and merciless hands of the Britishers. I was only 12 when I lost my parents in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
How can they do that? They've killed lots of innocent people in it.
We will have to take revenge. So many brothers and sisters were killed. We will have to take revenge. मेरे माँ बाप को मार डाला.
हेलो, उसके माता पिता उसमें नहीं मरे थे. Sorry.
We have roles of grandfather or grandmother.
Do you want war or do you want peace?
How dare they? How dare they try?
आपने देखा कैसे बापू ने हमसे धोखा किया. पहले ये क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट का झूठा उम्मीद की किरण हमने झलकाई और फिर ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया बिना किसी सहारे के. वंदे मातरम. Is that how you starting? Yeah. Sare mapa mapa. Okay, fine. Start that. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram.
Vande
Mataram.
See, when you reach Mataram, you got to stay there. You can't
Vande Mataram.
You just see people getting killed and you have to sit and cry. Don't hide your face.
This is my first visit to Riverside and I'm really enjoying working with artists in residence, especially with the new grades. I mean, I'm totally new to the school and I'm really loving the enthusiasm of the kids. And I think that they're doing a fabulous job.
We'll attach wheels so that it can rotate, and then we'll have wires which will build the structure.
We can mount it. The time machine is not going to move in the whole plane.
This is a time machine for going in the past.
The idea is to show our past, what we have done before the years where Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, how did they give us the freedom.
We just completed making the time machine, and we used many spare parts like old bottles, cans, and we used 3 chairs, foil, silver paper.
This is how you ask for the end. Okay. Do from this step. Do from there.
I am in the dance committee. I have a small role, but it's too important, and we have to practice a lot. If one mistake is done, Jazz scolds us a lot. From the top, she again starts it and again pauses it and again started. And when I enter, all the dupattas are closed, and my 2 buddies and I am hiding behind the dupatta. And when they open the dupattas, so I feel very proud because it looks like, it looks like I'm a king of this world. Bye bye.
You ठीक है, and you sitting like this यहाँ पे, correct? And the next thing is जरा सा कर ला, जरा गा कर ला, whatever. You sitting like this.
Dancers now know when they come in, which means you have to be ready in your wings. Alright? Actors, especially the colors, now have you understood which side you're going out and where you're coming from? Any confusions, any questions?
So I don't go this side, I'll go directly.
Yes.
From here, this is the only entry. Then that side.
Yeah?
I really cannot understand second scene when we do our dialogues where.
Center. Wherever you are.
No, exit.
There. When you're saying I am the best, that time, everybody comes here, says la 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 la. That's why I am the best. Exit that side. Everyone, every color, exit that side.
Yeah, it's going very well. I am waiting for the 28th. After I'm feeling a little nervous. This is our first AIR and I'm very excited how it is going to happen. Oh, we're not having very much fun because Kiran ma'am is not here. She makes things fun and she could have, helped us because she's actually experienced the working before. So it is not like very fun right now. I just want to wish that she comes fast right now and I wish her all the best for whatever she's doing.
Right, and 1.